In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book 2 different rooms in Agoda for 2025. This process might seem a bit tricky at first glance, but once you understand each step, you'll be able to navigate the platform with ease and confidence. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll begin by heading over to the Agoda official site. It's important to always ensure you're on the authentic website for a safe and secure transaction. Agoda offers exciting deals and free cancellation on over 2 million hotels, making it a popular choice for many travelers. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign-in option. Here, log in using your preferred method. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Google for a fast and seamless sign-in experience. After logging in, you need to head back to the Agoda main page. This is where you'll carry out your search for accommodation. You'll see a prominent search bar. This is your go-to tool for finding hotels. It's helpful to have an idea of your travel dates and destination in mind, as you'll need to input these to refine your search. Click on that search bar and enter your desired location, the dates for check-in and check-out, and then hit that search button to see what options are available for your trip. Once the list of available accommodations is displayed, take some time to browse through the selection. Agoda provides various filters and sorting tools that you can use to tailor your results according to price, location, star rating, and even guest reviews. This can help immensely in finding the best value stay suited to your needs. Now, for this tutorial, your primary goal is to book 2 different rooms in the same or different hotels. To do this, first choose a suitable hotel from the list that appears after your initial search. When you select a hotel, you'll be taken to a new page displaying all the room types available. Here, look for the option to select a room and carefully read through the amenities offered. To book 2 different rooms, choose one room that suits your preference and adjust the number of rooms to 2. Agoda's interface often makes it simpler to book multiple rooms in one step. Ensure to review the booking details thoroughly before proceeding to checkout. This includes checking the room cancellation policy, terms of service, and any additional charges or deposits required. With all these steps completed, click on the booking option, fill in the necessary payment information, and finalize your transaction. You'll receive a booking confirmation email shortly after, and you're all set for your stay. And there you have it. By following these instructions, booking 2 different rooms through Agoda for 2025 is straightforward. Remember, careful planning and attention to details can turn a potentially stressful experience into an effortless one. Happy travels and see you in the next video.